Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hey YouTube, it's me Lashon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I am going to throw something together. You know how we do. We get in here, we look in the fridge, we look in the pantry, we look in the cabinet, we see what we got, and then we put something together with what we already have. So come on with me. Okay, the first thing we gotta do is wash our hands. And we have some antibacterial soap. Okay, so we are going to make some noodles. Easy, quick, and easy to do, very cheap. You can get a box of these for a couple of bucks. I always keep some at the house. You can always spice these up. You could put some egg in there with some soy sauce, or you can put vegetables in there. It's really up to you, but I always keep these at the house. Just have to put some water in here. have to do now is taste it. It's hot. The steam is coming. Noodles. Noodles, noodles, noodles. We are so grateful and we are thankful for these noodles. And we are grateful to God that we have something to eat. So I just want to say thank you for coming and joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope and pray that you have a nice, relaxing day. And that you have something to eat at your house as well. So thanks for joining me. I just want to say thank you for joining me here in the kitchen once again. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But more than that, you have to ring that bell so you're notified every single time I come out with a video, okay? So at this time, we're going to breathe in and breathe out so we can get our day started. You ready? Breathe in, breathe out. We thank you, Father, for another day. So, wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you got errands to run today, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And treat people with respect. It's the only way to live, okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.